Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off desktop mode on YouTube on your iPhone or iPad. So if you guys are having an issue where every time you open up YouTube on your iPhone or iPad, it just keeps opening up to the desktop mode, I'll show you guys how to fix it. It's really easy to fix. So for example, how to fix it just quickly, you just want to click on the A at the top of your screen, the top left, and you just click on Request Mobile Website. And it'll change it for now, like it'll change it just for your session right now. But if you're having this issue over and over again, and it's not changing it, and you have to continuously change it to mobile, just like I showed you right there, what you want to do is exit out of here and go over to your settings. What you want to do in settings is you want to scroll down till you see Safari. Click on Safari. Scroll down again, and then you will see an option under settings for websites. You'll see request desktop website. Chances are you have this here turned on. It's just saying that basically every time it goes to a website where desktop is an option, it's going to choose desktop. So you want to just untoggle that. So then whenever you go on websites, it'll open them automatically on mobile. So for example, if we go over to Safari and we just close out of YouTube and just reopen Safari, it's going to now open YouTube right away in mobile rather than desktop mode. So I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to change this setting. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.